Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making the connection now. Unlock your iPhone, enable Bluetooth, and plug the lightning cable into the car, or accept the wireless CarPlay prompt. Once done, watch the CarPlay home screen appear. Apple Music should show as an app icon. If it doesn't, make sure CarPlay is allowed for your vehicle under Settings General CarPlay. These steps get you into the interface so you can control playback and access libraries immediately. Now focus on finding and playing music. Tap Apple Music, then choose Library, Browse, or Search to load playlists, albums, or songs. Once you pick a track, use Shuffle or Repeat icons, or press play via the touchscreen or your steering wheel media buttons. For hands-free operation, say, "Hey Siri, play my driving playlist." Siri handles searches and playback reliably. Make sure cellular or downloaded tracks are available. Downloaded content prevents buffering when signal is weak. To finish, tweak sound. Open the iPhone music settings to set EQ or download playlists for offline use so playback won't stop on poor reception. Once your cue and volume are set, test voice commands and quick controls so you're comfortable using them while driving. If Apple Music won't appear, unplug and replug the cable, toggle CarPlay off/on in settings, or restart your iPhone. That resolves most connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.